Hello dear friends, already we have seen load sharing of the two alternators when they are connected in parallel, general procedure for connecting the alternators or generators in parallel. Now we are going to get see synchronization of synchronizing lamp, how the lamps are going to get synchronized. A set of three synchronizing lamps are used to check the condition for parallelizing or synchronizing of the incoming machine with other machines. So three lamp set already we have discussed. One, this is two, this is three. So this is going to get used. A dark lamp method along with a voltmeter. Dark lamp. So this whether this lamp is going to get dark or bright. So we can choose it from this dark. So that's why we are calling this method as dark lamp method. And along with we are connected, there is a 1 voltmeter is going to get connected. A dark lamp method along with the voltmeter is used for this synchronization, which is shown in the figure. This method is used for low power machines. Be aware. This method is only used for low power machines. The prime mover of incoming machines is started and bring nearer to the rated speed. A field current of an incoming machine is adjusted to bring it nearer to rated machines, and by adjusting the field current we are going to get adjusted the terminal voltage of the alternator, and we are making it equal to the bus voltage. Flicker of three lamps 1, 2, 3. Suppose I will say this is my 1, this is my 2, and this is my third lamp. So flicker of the three lamps occur at the rate which is equal to the difference in the frequencies of incoming machines and the bus bars. All lamp will glow and off at the same time if phase sequence is correct. Frequency of incoming machine is adjusted until the lamp flickers at very slow rate. So whatever the flickering of this lamp is there, so if the phase difference is there, this will become bright, this will become after that it will become bright, this will become after that it will become bright. So there is a gap is there, not at a time. Instantaneously all will not going to get glow, instantaneously all will not going to get dark. So this we have to take. The frequency of incoming machine is adjusted until the flickers at a slow rate. Remember this. The flicker rate must be less than 1 dark period per second. Remember, once again I am repeating my statement. The flicker rate must be less than 1 dark period per second. After adjusting the incoming voltage, the synchronizing switch is closed in the middle of their dark period. So when all three will going to get become dark, that time check the things, and when the middle portion is going to get coming out, that time this switch is going to get on. As soon as it will going to get on, that time there is a no voltage is going to get appear in the voltmeter and machine is going to get connected. So this is called dark lamp method, because we are going to get operated the switch when all lamps will become the dark. There are advantage and disadvantage of this method. The advantage will going to get carry the method is a cheaper one. Correct phase sequence is easily determined because there is no voltage is going to get appear. So dark position of the lamp you have to count, and that is easily by open eye you can going to get counted. There are few disadvantages of these methods. The first disadvantage is coming out, the lamp will become dark at about half of its rated voltage. Hence, it is possible that the synchronizing switch might be switched off. Half of its rated voltage, because there is changes there. One is a positive half cycle, another is a negative half cycle. So when positive half cycle is going to get started, that time it is a 0. When it will going to get complete, again it will take 0, and then negative half cycle is going to get started. So what we will say, half of its rated value. So hence it is possible that the synchronizing switch might be switched off even when there is a phase difference between the machines. So you are not going to get count the exact phase difference is there, phase difference is same or not. The filament of might be going to get burned out. While dealing with this operation, if the light filament is there or tungsten filament is there, if it is a broken, then lamp is not going to get glow. So we are not going to get it whether it is exactly the phase sequence is reached or not. The flicker of lamp does not indicate that lamp has the higher frequency as compared to the system or as compared to the running systems. So that's why we are going for the next method, which we will see in next lecture.